everyone. I am Mark, your teacher for today. Why teacher? Because I'm going to present you one of the, I would say, most fascinating educational tool for me. It is the Nearpod. So, what is Nearpod? So, Nearpod is an interactive edtech platform that helps teachers and as well as students to create engaging classroom um, activities, and also it is standards aligned lesson with built-in formative assessments and also polls, quizzes, and also video and VR, also a field trips. No, it is to make the learning active for the students, and also to for students in live, hybrid, or self-paced settings ng learning. And yeah, let's start with uh, our the first step that we need to do is to sign up. Now we need to sign up for free. Click the sign up button, and let's wait. Let's wait. And just a background, no. Nearpod can help teachers, no, because in here pwede tayo mag-upload ng mga presentations natin, no. In order for us to like para maging interactive yung learning ng bawat isa. Okay, so ayan, let's sign up using my Google account. Ayan. So, ang first na lalabas dyan is yung homepage, of course. We have here, if we click these three dots, we can see My Library, which is, pwede tayo mag-create ng new lesson here. And we also have reports, sub-plans, and here, Nearpod Library. In Nearpod Library, if we click that, we can see some customs, customs presentation, and also custom lesson, no? And we have your school library and also help and support. So, if we click naman this profile, ayan, makikita natin dyan yung profile natin. Ayan, nakalagay, Marcos and Artohan. Ay makikita rin natin kung ilang MB yung nagagastos or nalalagay natin here. So, with this, we have 0.4 MB because naglapag tayo ng PDF natin kanina. Nag-discuss natin later on. So ayan, we have makita mo diyan kung anong plan yung meron ka. I have silver plan, which is yung free plan natin. Also my profile, manage Nearpod account, uh, lesson settings, Nearpod block, and manage privacy. Okay? So, in here naman, if we click this launch the lesson builder, we can create a lesson from scratch. No? Create a lesson from scratch, upload lesson, explore the Nearpod library, use Google Slides ads on. Okay, so ayan. Let's go with the Nearpod library. Just like what I said a while ago, no? It has many customable um like templates, no? Ayan, may makikita niyong mga templates and for social studies, for multiple subjects, social studies, and we can actually use this, no, to our lessons. And it also have grade levels, the kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. We have the subjects. We have English language arts, math, social studies, science, technology, computer science, music, arts, physical education, world language, AP history, Black history, Hispanic Latino, Native American history. And also we also have content types. We have videos, activities, and lesson. And and for the publishers, yan, makikita natin kung sino-sino yung mga nag-publish here and yung mga gawa nila. Okay, so going back sa homepage, ayan. So in here, actually, naglapag na ako ng isang file natin, which is pwede natin siya ma-edit. Ayan. So, in here, makikita nyo kung anong PPT yung ilalagay nyo. Ayan. Just like that, I can add some uh, I can add some details here sa presentation na ito because naka-PDF siya. We can add actually some activities just like um, here, blank slide activities. We have a lot. Multiple choice, time to climb, drag and drop, draw it, open-ended question, collaborative board like Miro, poll, matching pairs, quiz, memory test, fill in the blank. And also, we have pre-made activities na pwede natin ilagay sa presentation natin. We have, ayan, may mga gawa ng activities na ilalapag na lang natin. And sobrang dami. And may math, and all the subjects are covered in here. No? And also, lastly, yung upload materials. If we have, if may PPT na tayo and gusto pa natin maglagay ng iba pang activity na pwede ilagay dyan. And that's all for the Nearpod tutorial. And I hope na nakatulong ito sa pag-navigate niya ng Nearpod. Happy teaching everyone! Thank you!